Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change addresses on the DoorDash app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and change addresses on the DoorDash app. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the DoorDash app. Next, on the upper left-hand corner, you want to go ahead and click on your address, and then you need to search for an address here. So whichever address that we search for, that is how you're going to go ahead and change the address of the DoorDash app. So if we take this address here from California, you can see that we've entered an California address, and that's actually gone ahead and changed our restaurants around us. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change your address on the DoorDash app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.